Hello again, in this video I'll take you through how to get from Gdansk airport to Gdynia and then on to Hell. This is a journey we've done ourselves and it's actually easy to do with only a few things to be aware of. So here's how we did this journey. We'll be starting at the Gdansk airport where we've just landed. By the way, I have some other videos about travelling through Gdansk airport, like how to get to Gdansk city centre by train, 2 complete airport walkthroughs showing you what it's like inside the terminal building, as well as this video warning you about a taxi scam operating at this airport as well. Definitely one to watch. All are on this channel, so check those out too. In this video though, we'll be taking the train from the airport station, so let's have a quick look at the map. Here's Gdansk airport. Our first train we'll catch takes us on a winding path to Gdynia main train station. Here we'll be changing trains and taking a new one right up the coast before it takes a sharp right-hander to turn to travel the entire length of the spit all the way to Hell. So I'm starting this walkthrough having just come out of the baggage claim and we're turning left to go past the tourist information kiosk. We're heading to the far corner of the terminal building where you'll see an escalator going up. Here you'll find 2 ticket machines where you can buy a ticket to pretty much anywhere on the Polish train network. Languages on these machines include Polish of course, but also English, German and Ukrainian. Select a ticket from this machine, you can go from the airport straight through to Hell and you'll want the Polregio train service ticket. For us it cost 26 zloty for an adult single ticket or around £5.40 or €6.25. The machines take all credit cards, Apple and Android Pay or cash with change given. With ticket in hand, head on up the escalator, although it was actually out of order when we travelled, so we took the stairs. You've now got a bit of a walk under the tracks, taking the second on the right and up a ramp to the platform. At the top of the ramp you'll see this sign for Gdynia. On the platform there is a ticket machine too, but we found this didn't take credit cards, so we'd suggest just buying the ticket down at the airport building. Also, when we were travelling there was work being done to the other platform, so trains in both directions left from this same platform, so check the destination boards to make sure you're getting on the right train. It should arrive from the direction shown here. The airport building is on your right, and this is our train to Gdynia. This is a modern electric multiple unit, very typical of many passenger services in this area. Here's what it looks like on board, and in no time at all we're leaving the airport behind. We'll be on this train for around 35 minutes and they run every 30 minutes. It's not the fastest and we have 4 stops before Gdynia main, so just sit back and watch the world go by. We found this train to be very clean, comfortable and with power outlets between each of the seats. However, the state of the toilets really did let this down a bit. Still, we're here now at Gdynia main and we need to change trains here, so let's get off. The next train doesn't sync with this one, and the next train to Hell only runs every 2 hours, so you may be here for a while. So there could be plenty of time to grab some food if you want. There's a couple of mainstream outlets here, and a couple more located outside, near to the station. Check the destination boards or even Google Maps, it will tell you the platform and track number. It can be slightly confusing as on this station the platforms have more than one track, and sometimes too a single track might have more than one train on it going to different destinations. And it's a very busy station with lots of trains coming and going, so it's important to read the signs. For us though, the train to Hell was on the same platform as the one we got off from the previous train, and it looks like this, differing in that it is a diesel powered train now. Also the train should show the destination of Hell, and that's also presented on the outside of the train and inside. Again, it's a modern train but differs slightly as there's a bit less legroom and it's all a bit more crammed in, but there is space for bikes on board. The train is very clean, but again the toilets are letting it down a bit. So we're heading off now from Gdynia main for the second part of our journey, which will take around an hour and a half. Along the way there's 15 stops too, so you'll be here for a while. Top tip, sit on the right of the train to get great views across Puck Bay as you head on out across the spit. Eventually you'll start to head through the trees at the end of the spit and you'll know that you're close to the final destination of Hell at this point. And here we are at the wonderful Hell train station. We found this trip to be easy and cheap, and the trains, except for the toilets, were clean, modern and comfortable enough. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you on my next video somewhere else in the world. See ya!